Oh, John, wake up. It is 7 o'clock. Time to get up.
Oh, just 5 more minutes, please.
No, sleepyhead. You said that 5 minutes ago. Come on.
Oh, I am so tired. I slept late last night. I was working on my laptop.
I know. But look, I made your coffee. It is hot and ready on the table. Come and eat breakfast.
Really? You made coffee for me? You are the best. Okay, I'm coming.
I made eggs, toast, and coffee.
Great. I love your breakfast. It smells wonderful.
Be careful, it is hot. Here you go.
Thank you. This tastes delicious.
Do you want some fruit? An apple?
Yes, please. Just a few slices.
Sure. Let's eat together.
I love starting my day with you.
Do you have your keys in your wallet?
Yes, I have them. Don't worry.
Good. It is cold today. Wear your jacket.
Oh, you're right. Thanks for the reminder.
Do you need milk or bread from the store later?
Yes, please buy some milk and bread.
Okay, I will get them after work. Drive safely, John.
Perfect. See you tonight. Hi, love. How's your day?
Hi, John. It is busy, but good. How are you?
I'm okay. I just finished a long meeting.
Did you have lunch?
Yes, I ate a sandwich. What about you?
I had a fresh salad.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. Don't work too hard. Take a break.
I will. Your call makes me happy. Talk to you soon.
See you later. Welcome home. You look very tired.
Yes. It was a long day at the office.
Sit down and relax. I made your favorite dinner.
Oh, what is it?
Chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Wow! That is my favorite! Thank you.
You are welcome. Let's eat.
This food is amazing. I am very happy.
Good. Do you want to watch a movie now?
Yes! Let's watch something funny.
Great idea. I have some popcorn too.
You are the best. You think of everything. Oh, I'm sleepy now. How about you?
Me too. Let's go to bed.
Today was a long day, but it was a good day.
Yes, I agree. I enjoyed our dinner and the movie.
Thank you for everything today.
You are welcome. Sleep well.
Good night. See you tomorrow.